I want to assure abalimu nga intubuna bachumbe there is no way to reduce emyaka y'abalimu go to 55 years. Omwalimu should work up to 60 years and if it's possible to maintain only 5 years because abalimu bakolega asiengia gotagosokia omwana kama etikolika mwana kama etikosoma osomi omwana mpaka abo omuntu. So we'll continue working with the teachers, and that is why the national government for the first time since independence yalikira abalimu 56,000. Na wono iga uno yakwana. I want to assure you, in Chonongo Ikaranse Budget Committee, we have put 26 billion. Abana balibonsi pi ware under contract. Nkori kuware permanent and pensionable. I sit in the Budget Committee and I will speak with a lot of authority that all the students, all the teachers who are on contract, we will be employed. We have 26,000 teachers who are on contract. They'll be employed on permanent and pensionable basis because we need the teacher-student ratio to be corrected. For many years, we have had an issue with the teacher-student ratio. Sawa sawa. Ono intumuraba gusieto kwana na machogu erairo koboko boge kaiga atoretera balimu abange wocha gusiga iga. Lastly, as I finish, manyakora angelio mugabana. Chiane balibonsi ba apply te basari mtu abae basari omuntu nanyore basari muya kabisa onde mwensi utachie tiko nore basari ta apply ti ora nche ni nchu nkwe basari einerega asiane osomi abana nkwana mangana mange entonda atebe tikatobwatera netwensi tokolega asiamo emyake etoire emyake etano. We make sure that we work for our people. Sawa sawa. Tinde tinkwa na mangana manga sama skani ya manene wono nganchere ndangeri omogaba no ito Governor Paul Simba Arati atokwanele tomanyako ena father